am not a person, I just resemble one anatomically.
Look, Phenomenon, I'm only telling you this because I don't want you hearing it from someone else. I kiss Blazer. Before you incinerate
Please don't
me,
kill me.
it's worth noting I had no idea she was in a relationship.
This happened while we were together? It just gets worse.
No, hold on. She didn't kiss me. She didn't do anything wrong. I kissed her.
So, you are to blame for my sadness.
Maybe, but I doubt it. I'd guess this is something she was thinking about for a while. I'm not that good of a kisser.